Dear students, welcome to my channel, KTU Knowledge Tracker. Today we are going to discuss very important aspect. In mathematics, so we have example like 2 by 2. We say it is equal to, when you cancel 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. So finally we get the 1 as the answer. So can anyone justify, how do we get 2 by 2 is equal to 1? So most of them, only 10% of the students, they are aware of how we can get the answer. So now could you like to try? So how 2 by 2 is equal to 1? So now here the thing is, we have to understand the concept, the laws of indices. So a to the power of m over a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m minus n. And here, if we have 2, means it is, the power is, it is 2 is repeated one time, and here is also the denominator 2 is repeated one time, and this is numerator and denominator. So now take this 2 to the power of 1 of the denominator to the numerator. So we are aware of the concept. So the numerator, I keep it as it is 2 to the power of 1, and this 1 I will write like this. So 2 to the power of minus 1 I will take to the numerator. So what will happen here? So now this is, we used this particular property of loss of indices, right? So I'm going to use one more, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? So a to the power of m plus n. So now here, when you consider these two aspects, so you get m plus n. So now 2 to the power of 1, then plus, then times negative 1. So we end up with the answer 2 to the power of 1 plus times minus. So parenthesis is there. So when you multiply the sign, plus time minus is minus, then 1. So before the number 1, we have the positive sign. So plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So we left with 2 to the power of 0. So we say 2 to the power of 0 as 1. So now 2 to the power of 0 as 1. This is the law. Any number to the power 0 is always 1. So we started from here. So 2 by 2 is 1 is here, and we end up with the answer 1. So now 2 by 2 can be written as 2 times 2 to the power of minus 1. So next step, we use this particular formula, and we write 2 to the power of 1 plus, then we apply the a to the power of m times a to the power of n, which is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 1 plus, then minus 1. So plus times minus is minus, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, we get 0 here. 2 to the power of 0 as per the law is 1. Hence we proved. So hence we proved 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Is it not amazing? Yes, thank you. If you like the channel, so please subscribe and give your feedback, which concept you want to learn in math. Thank you so much.